Welcome back to another session of SAP Enterprise Content Management Solution ECM Solutions by OpenText. In this today's session, we're talking about the ninth use case, HR use case, that is to be done by HRBP, how to generate a document by HRBP. Earlier, we have seen as an employee also you can do the thing, but as an HRBP, how will you doing that? We will be seeing in today's session. Okay. So now let's then get started. So this will be our ninth use case, and this is the fourth use case for an HRBP, right? So now let's navigate to the system, and we will see how does a HRBP can generate a documents, right? So let's go to the scenario. HRBP document generation. So let me go there. So as HRBP, I will be logging into the system, SuccessFactors system. And let's say the person's name is Lisa Felix. Okay, will be changed. So her surname will be changed. So the use case is like this: due to her marriage, and she will be creating a new employment contract for her, right? So as an HRBP. So let's see how does it look like, how to do it in the system. So HRBP Tessa Walker, she will go and navigate to the SuccessFactors system, and she will search for the employee Lisa Felix, right? And after that, what is happening? Let's see. So Lisa Felix, so she is from Atlanta, and so just see the date, see the effective date at another point of time. Two options. One option is open the calendar, so she will be looking at the calendar here. Now another option is to click on the clock icon, so see the historical changes if anything is there, right? So you can do that both way. Okay, here like this. Okay, so if you see in this, there will be a dialog option like this, and when the date is changing, so you'll be seeing here the effective date, and you check uh, what data to use in your document, right? So now what you will be doing, so you have to create the document for Lisa as a HRBP, and so she has to go, Tessa Walker has to go and her directly to the workspace in extended ECM. Okay, so that is why, so she has to go to the OpenText homepage and search for Lisa's workspace. Every employee will be having their own workspace, as I was talking about in the manage employee section. Every employee will be having their own workspace, and after she goes there, search for Lisa directly here. So this is the employee workspace for Lisa Felix. After she goes there, so what is next? So you see, will be finding there are different types of documents. Okay, so I have to go to, so she has to go to the document section and initiate the generation of the effective dated contract. Okay, so let's see how she is generating that. So she has to choose the appropriate template here, like this. So there's so many templates you can see, right? Isn't it? So there are different templates in the workspace. You can see hiring, onboarding, personal information, medical, employment, employee relations, tax and social security, international assignment, benefits and work equipment, training and policies, end of employment. So covering almost every category. Also there are project point of view, HR project, learning, succession. Okay, all those options you can see here. Okay, so Tessa Worker, she has to choose the appropriate template. And if you see, if you go to the template options, okay, so there is an option called tree view, and here you can see whenever you're creating a document, these are the different documents you can create: retirement letter, verification letter, location change, all these things. Okay, and also there is an option here, tree view. You can also, if you are click tree view, you will be able to see those are the employment contract. Okay, so this is the where I will be going, the Tessa work will be going on. So here there's an option, you will be create to insert any kind of informations if you like to add it here. Okay, so how does it look like? So So he has to go there and click create option. Okay. So due to legal requirements, so C has added optional agreement as well. Okay. So non-disclosure and confidentiality, and you have to put your start date here. So I will scroll a bit right, choose a particular date. Now click create again. So you have to click create again options here, apply those changes, right? So in this way, you will be finding the entire document is appearing here, whatever is required for this employee. New employment contract where the employee's name details, last name details has been changed after marriage. Okay. So in this way, you can see these are different options you have. Okay. If you want to add any enclosure, if you want to set up an email, okay, all the options you'll be finding here. And after doing this, if you're fine, you can choose options here like this. And there are different parts of document. Okay, there is the employment contract or a non-disclosure, okay, or contract. Okay, all the different parts of the document you will be finding here. So this is another part of the document called as non-disclosure and confidentiality. So those details you can find out here. So this is a detail of that particular document. So now you can also add your email configurations. Once the contract is now generated, you can choose and adjust the email of the employee, and you can write it down here. Very simple process. You can see from whom it is generic email it is going, okay, and the new contract and those employee details, right? And click OK after adding all these things. Then click finish button so that it will go to the document will be now to be finished and it will be sent. Also, you can choose your option. If you have to sign the document, you can integrate your DocuSign, right? And using the DocuSign functionalities, you can sign the contract, right? Using the DocuSign concept. And after that, once it has been signed, so few moments, Lisa will be seeing that document in the mailbox like this. Okay, so this is how innovate employee contract. So Lisa will be able to see the signed document directly coming from the OpenText. Okay, so this is a process you need to follow, and HR has to complete this process and click continue to start the process. So as an employee, how Lisa will be going there. So she will be clicking continue, and if everything is looks correct, she will be also signing the document, right? And you can see, so there's an option to sign the document like this, and adopt and sign. You can put your employee as an employee, you can put your signature, and now this process will be finished. So it is saying you have finished signing. You'll be receiving an email copy once everyone has signed it. Okay. So this is how, and if you would like to see the another emails the person will be getting, Lisa will be getting, and you'll be finding the completed document. Okay. So now Lisa has signed the contract and it can be viewed in her workspace. Okay. So as an HRAP still, you can go back in the dossier view and you will be finding the same document. Okay, it is now completed and you will be finding that in the employee workspace. Okay, so for this employee. Okay, so this is how the use case looks like. As an HRBP, how you can generate such documents for your employees and they can go for it. Okay, so this is a use case number 9 which I talked about. Okay, so stay tuned for the upcoming use cases to my video, and we will be having another 5 use cases to cover, especially for HR point of view for enterprise content management. So stay tuned. So like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So here in this you'll be finding, And if you want to have a consulting style method, or if you want to learn more, you can subscribe any of those memberships. Okay, as per there are different plans available, 1 year, 6 month, or whatever you visit. Okay, you can go to school.academy.com, and from there you can subscribe for it. Okay, so that's all for today. And in the next session, we're talking about the next huge case, that is the hiring process. So stay tuned and looking forward to you. Signing off here, Niladri.